Cuckoo Clock Shop, Tambourine Mountain. It's time to go in now. Yeah, there's all the cuckoo clocks in there. This one, that one, that one, that one here. This one, that one, that one. It's chiming. Let me see which clock is chiming. Oh, it was none of them. Yeah, so I think this one is about to go off any moment now. Look at all the mini clocks. And look at this one. All the clocks are going off at once. This one. 9 a.m. Here we go. Alright guys, there's the 9 a.m. chimes. Oh, 11 a.m. chimes.
That's deep sound, isn't it? Yeah. My next door neighbour used to have was. Yeah.
Oh, and this one's going off behind me. Wow. Very interesting. Look at this. Lots of mini cuckoo clocks. Wow. Look, there's a Mickey Mouse clock. Wow. Alright guys, we went there. And yeah. Very good. So this is my last time in Queensland, so thank you guys for watching. I won't be coming back here anymore for another 2 years in 2027, yeah. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Charles video. Bye.